Hello, Edson Oliveira here, and in this video we will be talking about how to install MySQL, which is another requirement to be able to run WordPress on your Windows environment. So this link will be available in the video post, so you can find it there. And this is what we're going to be first downloading it and then installing. So let's just scroll down a little bit here. We will be installing MySQL version 5.5.7. And it's automatically recognizing that my system here is Microsoft Windows. I'm just gonna download this. Let's do that. Okay, so from here you have to log in to be able to download, and I have to enter my personal email address, my password here to the site. If you don't have a user on this website yet, you can just go to new user, proceed to new registration, but I have, and then I'm just gonna log in. And if I scroll all the way down, I can say no thanks, just start my download. I'm gonna save it locally, and it should be downloading right now. Okay, so download is over. Let's open the download folder and let's run MySQL installer. So let's double click there. Let's run this. It's prepared to install. Just wait for it to progress. Okay, so the screen came up and we're gonna choose install MySQL products. We're gonna accept the license terms. I'm gonna progress here next. I'm just gonna skip this step because we have downloaded the latest version here of MySQL, so I don't need it to check. Let's just go to next. Now here, I don't want to risk missing any required feature of MySQL, so I'm gonna install full, and I'm not gonna change anything on the installation path. I'm just gonna leave them as default. I'm gonna hit next, and this is checking if all the requirements for MySQL are already installed. If by any chance one of those requirements are not installed, then you would have to install it beforehand. But in our case here, everything is installed, so let's just keep moving forward. This is just listing what are the components, the different products that will be installed together with MySQL now. So I'm okay, I have selected everything, and I'm just gonna hit execute. So now it will start to install each one of those products on my local environment. Okay, so everything is installed. Now I'm gonna hit next again. And now we're gonna go through the configuration of MySQL. So let's hit next again. Now I'm gonna leave those options as they are. I'm not gonna change anything in regards to configuration. I'm gonna hit next again. Now I'm gonna add a password to the root user of MySQL. So I'm just gonna add a password here, very simple password. I know it's weak, but that's fine. I just want to install it. Again, this is only my development environment. So I'm just gonna hit next, and I'm just gonna hit next again. I'm not gonna change those settings. They are fine as they are. I'm just gonna hit next, and it's configuring the product. It will be finished in a second. Okay, it's giving me a warning here. It's showing that it couldn't add the rule to the firewall, but I'm just running the application within my computer, so I'm not gonna access that outside of my computer, so that's okay. I can live with that. I don't think that will cause any problems for us. But let's just keep going here, hit next, and now we have some samples and examples. Okay, so this is done. Let's hit next again, and we can finish this. I'm just gonna check this because I don't want SQL Workbench to start right now. I'm just gonna finish the process, and we are done. We have just installed MySQL on our local environment, on our Windows machine. That's it for now. Thank you very much, and bye.